Where do downy woodpeckers live? Have you ever wondered where you might spot a downy woodpecker? These charming little birds are among the most widespread woodpeckers in North America. They thrive in various environments, especially where trees are plentiful. Their range extends from southeastern Alaska across Canada to Newfoundland and southward throughout the United States. However, they do avoid the dry deserts of the Southwest and the treeless tundra of the far north. Downy woodpeckers are quite adaptable. They prefer deciduous forests, which are filled with trees that lose their leaves in winter, like oaks, maples, and birches. You can also find them in mixed forests, where both deciduous and coniferous trees grow together. They tend to favor areas with enough deciduous trees or understory plants. In places dominated by conifers or evergreen trees, they are less common unless there are patches of deciduous trees nearby. Interestingly, downy woodpeckers are not just limited to wild forests. They can thrive in woodlots, which are small patches of woodland, as well as orchards and river groves. You might even see them in suburban areas with mature trees. They are often spotted in city parks and residential neighborhoods, especially during winter when they visit backyard feeders. When it comes to nesting, downy woodpeckers look for dead trees or dead branches in living trees. They excavate cavities in the softer heartwood, making it easier to dig into. The outer, harder sapwood protects their nests from weather and predators. Areas with plenty of dead trees or snags are particularly appealing to them for nesting and roosting. Foraging is another essential part of their life. Downy woodpeckers search for food on tree trunks and branches. In summer, they pick at the bark surface for insects, while in winter, they dig deeper into the wood. Their diet mainly consists of insects, but they also enjoy seeds and berries. During winter, they often join mixed flocks of other small birds, like chickadees and nuthatches, as they search for food. For birdwatchers, identifying downy woodpeckers can be a bit tricky since they look similar to other small woodpeckers. However, knowing where they live and what habitats they prefer can help. Look for them in areas with plenty of trees, especially dead or decaying ones. Listen for their high-pitched calls and watch for their small size and quick movements on tree trunks and branches. In urban and suburban settings, check backyard feeders, especially those with suet or shelled peanuts. Downy woodpeckers are year-round residents in most of their range, although some northern populations may migrate south in winter. Their ability to thrive in both wild and human-altered landscapes makes them one of the most accessible woodpeckers for birdwatchers to observe. Understanding their habitat preferences and behaviors can make it easier to find and identify them during your birdwatching adventures.